Wow! What is that for?
It's for the rain. That's for the rain. Look at mine.
For the rain?
Mine is a rainbow.
Okay. Wow! You know how to open the... You know how to open the umbrellas?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. It's close, right? You need to press this white thing. You press that one if you want it. Just look. Yeah.
Okay, press.
Look.
Whoa!
Here, when you want to close it, you see this white thing? You want to close it? You want to close it?
Yes.
See, when you hear the tick like this, wait, like that. You see
Move
like that?
backwards.
That's what you see? That's what
Yes.
it is.
Oh. You're covering me. Please, okay, I cannot see you. I cannot see you. What? How? Okay, tell me.
Here's that one is this.
Okay.
You want this one? You turn on like that one.
Like
you want
that
to
one.
You see like that? You see.
Okay.
Like this.
Wow, like that.
And I like mine because it's a rainbow. Like this. Rainbow's my favorite color.
How about you, Zachy? Do you like your umbrella?
It's just for the rain.
It's not for the rain?
Yes. I-rain.
Are you sure?
Tapos. Kasi, i-rain tapos. I-rain na ba? I-rain
I-ring gigapos? Okay.
English.
Do it again, Zachy. How to open the umbrella?
Like that. Like this.
What did you press?
And look at my new pencil case.
What is that?
A mermaid pencil case.
Can you show what's inside?
I don't want to show them, but I need to.
Okay, what's inside?
All my color pencils.
Can you tell what's
And
inside?
like that,
Huh?
all of my color pencils and glue and
Yes.
tape.
Okay, you're the next one. Let me finish with that Zooey. Okay, you show what's inside.
That's one. That's
Okay, wait, Zachy.
That's one is right. Is this one is blue?
Okay. So what's inside?
It's this thing.
Oh, you put it here. Oh, sorry. And then
It's
what are these? These are
coloring pencils, and then tape, and then glue, and then eraser, and then some ruler,
okay. So cute ruler.
and then also pencil.
The rest are pencils.
Yeah,
You have so many pencils.
yeah.
You write a lot
Every day.
every day. Okay, bye. Bye. See you.
Wait.
Bye, Ryan.
Wait. Bye-bye!
And then here's the turon made by Ate Zooey
Wait,
and Mama.
Wait. Mom, you
And
like that?
Mom.
You open like a blanket?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.